Hey guys, so today on the Shed Sesh, we take the cab off the chassis on the HZ 1-tonner build. Can you believe it? Finally, I've got the 1-tonner off the cab off the chassis, and even more unbelievable, I'm actually working on the 1-tonner. So today we'll take you through how I got the cab off the chassis and up on a stand. We'll walk you around the stand that I've built and the purpose behind it. There we go. So U-Foods box, always the pandemic special. I'm sure everyone's got those. Now, here we go. If only be able to hoist, eh? So, gonna find all the bolts. Gonna guess there's about 4 or 6 of them. Alright, there's a couple up in the chassis there. Oh, that's great. That's the way. Anyway. So we'll go find this. Shouldn't take too long to get them out. There's one of that. On the other side. The old girl's showing her true colours there. All the rattle gunning. Poor old girl. There we go. So I've worked out the way to get these out. They're so bloody rusted up the top. So you just go backwards and forwards with the rattle gun, and they slowly and keep on chucking in the WD-40, and it comes apart slowly. And that one came straight out. Great. As you can see though, those rubbers have seen better days. So we're going to jack it up from the middle. Got some jack stands at the front, so give that a crack, see what happens.
A few minutes later.
Okay, body off the chassis. So, as you can see down here, all I've done is just chuck a big bit of a post up the tunnel and lifted it up. I've got some jack stands over here for the fourth. Thing is, I want the whole thing up higher than where the chassis is sitting now. I've got to make a frame for it so I can roll it. The idea is I can roll it backwards and forwards. I don't really have enough room to put the chassis up one end, or the cab up one end and the chassis down the other. So now I get stuck into making the frame, and that we can sit the chassis on. So hopefully I've got enough steel. We're in lockdown 5.0 at the moment, so at least it gives me some time to get out in the shed, eh? Look at the positives.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
This is the hour Dante's plays, Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad. Facts. Half the people die while the rest of us are split.
Okay, so this is it. It does look a little flimsy. It's actually pretty. I'll put a bit of strapping, and it's all steel. This way, pretty stable. Side to side, gets a little bit of the wobbles up, but which is actually should be fine. I'll be putting some wheels on because of COVID. I can't get to the bolt shop just yet. I'm not trade. It's nothing too. I mean, it's really just all add line around. Probably go a little bit thicker. All I did here, so we can get the bolts on and raise it up, and so it's all made out of the same stuff. And we put some angle line there, so I've got some wheels here. We'll go down. These type of wheels, so it'll raise it up a bit high. It is a bit high. Like this is, sort of eye level's about here, so I'm not going to be able to work on the roof without getting on a stand. And even working around here, I'm probably going to have to get some sort of stand to get in there and drill out everything. But I should be able to sit down quite comfortably and work on the sills. The sill, I tried patching these up years ago. That's why they're black, and it looks like rust's coming back through. I just did a rough job back in the day. It was my daily driver. So there we go. So the whole idea here is that this, when it's on the wheels, can be wheeled back to front as I'm working on the chassis, and I can move it out the way without having to move the chassis completely out of the way. So there we go. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll put a pop-up for the playlist for the 1 tonner. I'm going to start getting stuck into the 1 tonner now. Now that I've got this done, I can really start hacking into it, getting rid of the rust and getting things moving. So subscribe so you get updated when new videos come out. Hit the playlist button. You can watch the from the initial. It was going to be a rat rod. I don't even know what it's going to be now. To the tear down and everything like that, which is all the way through to this video. So as always, guys, love your work. Get in the shed.
Half the people die while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world.